Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you what you need to do immediately when your cooking gas cylinder is leaking from the bottom, either from the bottom or from its body. Any cooking gas cylinder, whenever it is leaking, just do this. Let's take a look at this gas cylinder. You see, the gas cylinder is still okay, but let's check if it has a leakage. This one is another gas cylinder. Let's check if it has a leakage. We are trying to check the leakage. Okay. Look at it. This one even has a hole under where you sprinkle the solution to test. Find out that the cylinder is leaking from the bottom. A serious one. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. It has a hole on the bottom. Look at it. A serious one. Let's check another gas cylinder. Look at this one. The body is still okay, but the under has rusted. Let's check if it has a leakage. Look at it very well. You can see that it is bubbling, showing that it has a hole, it has a leakage on the bottom. Look at it. The body is still okay, but the under is bad. The easiest thing to do, this is what I'm going to show you today. This is another gas cylinder again. Let's check for leakage. Sprinkle your solution. Okay, take a look at it critically. You can see that it is still bubbling as well. Take a look at it. The body is still okay, but the button is leaking. Look at it very closely. You can see that it's bubbling. The body is still okay, but the bottom is leaking. At this point, the easiest thing you need to do to save your life is to discard the cylinder. Go to a nearby standard shop, get yourself a brand new gas cylinder to save your soul and live happily. That is the easiest thing to do. Just get yourself a brand new cylinder. You don't manage anything concerning cooking gas, just get a new one. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thanks once again for watching.